The government appears to have failed to keep on to the deadline given by Ka Sur U Nongmawlai to suspend the police officials involved in the alleged encounter of late Shri Cherister Thangkhiew. Ka Sur U Nongmawlai today, as in response to this, has come out onto the street again to burn the effigies of the CM, the Deputy CM, the Home Minister and the three top police officials, Shri Singh, SP East Jaintia Hills, Shri Shailendra Bamaniya, SP Traffic Shillong and Shri R Chandranathan DGP Meghalaya, who had a hand in the alleged shoot-on-site incident that led to the death of late Shri Che Thangkhiew at his residence in the wee hours of the 13th of August 2021. Speaking at the gathering before the effigies were burned, leaders of the Voice of Mawlai People condemned the cowardly actions of the Home Minister, who had claimed earlier to be a brave man from the war clan. They derided his inability to suspend the police officials and challenged him to act on his claim and his written word, Unongwar Bashlur.
Rymbui, pitep oi Rymbui. Ko Rymbui. Hiong ngadai Unongwar Bashlur dai. Ngadai Unongwar Bashlur. Melale ayu nakabda kini kinang pediam yo bacheres. Ko Rymbui. Wat nam pelang fani ya kani ka jingjia belajar mulai hak Shillong jongi. Wat nam pelang kum kecing lekai mela step down mentam lakiu biang wat nam penlong kap kai ngong lada bedai sisa Unongwar Bashlur tang si signature lese nado DGP hado kini KSP kita ban suspend immediately dan dai Penia kecing seluruh jong me hang ta ngin song me dei syau seluruh lada mem peni ngin pen pong skat no ya me dei dai ngim bat se semau ba ko Rymbui kilong kemi jong Shillong mulai jongi kila pen biang ka skat ya me dei dai kaskat haki kolor ki bapher menyo lada memla ban suspend yakini ki mention abreu men sayoi ya kaskat ke bakumno ke batait le kaskat ke belus hal tu